Halloween, a exhilarating holiday celebrated annually on October 31st.
I created this Halloween video in just a few clicks. Interested in learning how? Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit website at RunwayML.com. Create your own account, or you can simply sign up using your Gmail account. Navigate to the text or image to video section, which is the Generation 2 version of their tool. You'll find three features: text, image, and image plus description. For creating a video from text, select the text option. Type in your prompt to generate your Halloween video. The Runway AI will generate related videos for you. It will take a few minutes to generate the video. Now we have a random Halloween video with a black cat. In our video, we edited our prompt twice. First, we removed the black cat, and then we added a line to create a mysterious woman. The system will regenerate it for you once you have the video with no black cat. If you wish to modify the appearance of the woman, you can simply edit the prompt again. Once you're satisfied with your prompt, generate your video. It'll only take a couple of moments. After the video is generated, you can download it. Now, you have the option to edit the video further using any video editing tool you prefer. You can also utilize AI-based video editing tools for this purpose. That's all there is to it. If you enjoyed the video we created, please consider subscribing.